Okay guys, we're at Value Village. I'm actually here for one purpose and one purpose only. I'm actually going to see if they have any iPhone 4 cases, because I'm selling my iPod Touch that I got, but I'm keeping the iPhone 4 as a backup for, like, you know, streaming music and watching videos. So I want to check that out. So we want to check that out.
Wait, sila naman pumapayag kahit luma.
Oo, basta galing dito.
Basta galing dito.
Kasi doon, patakbuhin mo yung cellphone doon. Opo. Ano naman itong product na camera?
Okay guys, I was looking at these two iPods because they're good prices, but they're locked. And by locked, I think that means they have passwords on them, which means you can't even get it. And I can't even turn them on because there's no charge on them. So that was kind of unfortunate. Looks like they have like some new inventory here today, since we were kind of here yesterday. I feel like there's some new stuff. This looks like a Dior, doesn't it? Has a long strap too. Looks like a small lady Dior. They've had this matinette for like ever. Simply Blue, that. Estee Lauder. Ooh, they have the sack. This is leather for sure, but I'm gonna take a look at it. Greaves. So they have the sack bag. Ugh, inside is toe up with pilling galore. Look at that, it's not sellable. That's unfortunate. Ooh, Michael Kors for $249. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it is worth it. Probably not. I don't need this. It's kind of like a key. It's kind of like a clay. Yeah. Hi. There's a Michael Kors wristlet for $250 if you want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's real.
There's a Michael Kors also bag, but yeah, this one you just saw this one.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
But inside, there's a stain inside.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. In here.
Oh.
That's why they price $7.99.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't even see this.
maganda.
I thought that natanggal din yung Kors.
Ay, oo nga, Michael. I know.
It's cute though.
pala yung loob.
Oh. I wonder kung may mabili pa to.
I know. Ano? Ito, Michael. Tapos, ayan nga lang nawala yung Michael.
So there's like a Michael Kors. Like lots of staining inside. Oh no, that's fake. Look at that. That's totally fake. Yeah. Okay, this is a good fake. Almost fooled me. Almost fooled me. Let's go over here, make sure there's no long shop that we're missing. Because if we do, oh, I thought that was Victoria's Secret. Nope, nothing, nothing. Oh, thought this was a long shop for a minute. Excited for a hot minute. For that. Hey guys, we're at Value Village on Regent, early in the morning, right when they're open. We're gonna see what they have today. Hopefully we found some good shit, because we've been finding some good shit lately. They wanted to see the shoes. Well, here's the shoes. I don't really like going through shoes just because it's a lot of work. Like a lot of work. I find it's more work than bags because shoes is hard for me to like figure out the brand. But bags are more kind of identifiable to me. So yeah. That's why I usually don't mess with shoes. Someone said that Victoria's Secret bags are usually like $78 and above. I don't know, I've never been to a Victoria's Secret in a long time, since like the early 2000s, so I really don't know. Do you guys know? Ooh, what's this? At first glance, it looks high-end, but maybe it's not. What is this? I had to look really closely to this because it kind of fooled me with the leather lining inside, so it looked kind of like leather, but it's not. It's actually polyurethane, but it's really well made. It's from Topshop. I mean, it would be like a nice vegan leather handbag. That bocce bag I had sold for really well. I think it sold for like 36 bucks. Big Buddha? I don't think this is leather, but David Jones. I don't know why they price David Jones so expensively. It's not like it's an expensive brand. High fashion, yeah. It must be high if you want to buy that. Rossetti. Don't see anything cute. Why is this $34.99? Why is it? Because it is. Oh, it's naturalizer, that's why. I guess because it's like a leather, that's why it's expensive. Pink sticks, that's cute. I don't know, $34.99 seems a little expensive to me for a leather bag. Well, not really, but this seems like leather. No, it's not leather. This bag is $35. It's all leather, snap closure. I don't know if I want to get it. Oh wait, it's polyurethane. That's weird. I thought naturalizer was always leather. Ugh, for 35 bucks? Hell to the no. The only polyurethane bags I buy is usually Nat and Nat. Well, there's nothing here. Here's some more shoes. Oh, these are Adidas. But they're rough. I don't think we looked over here. Yeah, we didn't look over here. What is this? Dune, which is fake leather, I think. I don't see anything. Nope. What is this, Coach? No, it's not Coach. No, it's not. Yep. Let's go look over on the other side. Ooh, look, they have the, oh, it says Xmas stuff. I thought it was actually the Samsung. I sometimes like to look for video games because they actually kind of sell really well sometimes, especially like the PS2 games. Yeah, PS2. This is cute. This Otter, $12.99 for an iPhone 4 Otter box. That's kind of ridiculous. Oh, that's so cute. I just want to show you guys the phone I got from the Valley Village a couple of days ago. Yeah, this is the phone I got and the case I got yesterday. But it's like an iPhone 4 and it's kind of cool. It still works well, you know. And it's good for like streaming and playing music. Ooh, I want that bag. How much is this? It is $3,200. That is such a deal. Anyway, yeah, YouTube works great on it. Snapchat, Instagram, Netflix. Like, it is a little bit slow, but not like as slow as you think it would be. Anyway, I'm kind of looking for cases, but I actually just bought 2 cases yesterday. So actually I don't need cases. Anyway, I want to keep this like for when I'm at the gym or whatever. Oh, their personal care is right over here. Travel kit, nice. Anyway, yeah, I have the iPod, and that one I paid like $37 for. This one I paid like I think 50 something. So it was. I thought it was a deal. Anyway, everything on me is thrifted, like this phone, this bag. Thank you, Celine, for this charm. Oh, my wallet is thrifted. It just everything is thrifted in here. I'm just like one big thrift hoe. Ooh. Oh, I love this. Oh, that's not. Oh, I thought that was. Oh, it is L'Occitane. Body milk. And what is this? Gel. Shower gel. Those are good sizes. I don't want the Avon. And it's. I don't know. I don't want to pay $2.99 for that. That's a really good. I like that. L'Occitane is a good brand. What is this? I don't know what kind of lipstick that is. Also Bath and Body Works. Nothing for me today. Anyway, we haven't found anything here. Oh, what is this? Oh, nothing. Okay, guys. Ooh, those Under Armour. What size are those?
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Oh, they're a 10 and a half. That's not bad. They're not going to fit me though, they're too small. Yeah, I guess we don't find anything today.